Welcome to Tech Time. Today I'm going to show you how to do a clean Windows 11 installation using a USB flash drive for free. First thing you're going to need is a blank USB drive with at least 8GB of storage. Now you need to go to the Windows 11 download website. To do this, just open your favorite internet browser and search for Windows 11 download. It should be the first link in the results, so go ahead and click on it to load the page. Alternatively, there's a link in the video description for your convenience. From here we're going to click on the second download now option on the page, under where it says create Windows 11 installation media. Wait for the download to complete and then open it. Accept the terms to proceed. Here you need to confirm your language and Windows edition. If you're happy with the default options, then you can proceed, but if you're like me and need to change them, untick the option which says use recommended options. Pick your language. There is only one option for the Windows edition, which is Windows 11, so now click next. Here choose a media to use. In this instance we'll select USB flash drive. Click next. This is when you're going to need to plug in your flash drive into your laptop or PC. As mentioned earlier, it's very important that your USB flash drive has at least 8GB of storage, and that the USB is blank and contains no important data which you may want to keep. Refresh the drive list and there it is. Now click next and wait for Windows to do its thing. It's also worth noting that Windows 11 has some minimum requirements to run, such as 1GHz CPU with 2 cores, at least 4GB of RAM, and it must be a 64-bit system. For full details of the requirements, check the video description for a link to the Microsoft website which provides more information. If you find that your laptop or PC doesn't meet the minimum requirements, don't worry too much about it. Make sure you subscribe to my channel to keep up with notifications as to when I upload a new video, as I'll be uploading a video soon to show you how to install Windows 11 on any PC or laptop, even when it doesn't meet the minimum requirements. And just like that, it's complete, so click finish. Well done, you have now created a bootable Windows 11 USB flash drive. We're now on to the next stage of actually installing Windows 11. Plug in your newly created Windows 11 USB flash drive into the laptop or PC you're going to be installing Windows 11 on. Now here you'll need to do one or two things based on whether you're installing Windows 11 on a brand new drive or existing drive. If you have a brand new drive, then start up your machine and it should boot up directly to the flash drive. If you have a drive which has been used before for say another Windows version, or it doesn't boot directly to the flash drive, you're going to need to alter the BIOS boot sequence. This is what you're going to have to do. When you start up your laptop, keep clicking on the F12 key, which will take you to the boot menu screen. Based on the manufacturer laptop, or if you're using a desktop PC, it may be a different key to F12. Here are a few of the common ones. Once you're at a screen similar to this boot menu, select the option to boot from your USB. If you don't see this, you'll likely need to change the boot priority order. So here I'll click on the tab key and then select the setup option. Here move over to the startup tab and select boot option. This will show the boot priority order. Depending on the type of laptop you have, the BIOS layout will be different, but they all will have a boot section somewhere. Move the USB device to the top of the list using the plus key, and then press F10 to save and exit. When your system starts up this time, it will run from the USB flash drive instead of your local hard drive. You should see this screen for Windows 11 setup if you've done it correctly. Select the language, time and currency format and the keyboard language to the settings you desire, and then click next. Here click install now. On this page you'll need to enter a valid Windows product key. If at this time you don't have a valid product key, just click I don't have a product key here. Select the operating system you wish to install. For this example, I'll choose Windows 11 Pro and click next. Accept the Microsoft license agreement and click next again. As we're doing a clean Windows 11 installation, select custom. Select the partition you want to install Windows 11 on. If you have more than one partition on your drive, delete them so you only have one, showing like this. Select the single partition and click Next. Now we wait for Windows to do its thing again to complete the installation. When it's finished, it will restart your laptop or PC and you'll eventually get to this screen. Now you're here, you no longer need the USB flash drive, so you can remove it. We can now go through the final steps. Pick your country and then your keyboard layout. If you're connected to the internet, it's going to run through some updates and possibly restart a couple times. Name your device. Click Next. Select personal use. Next. This is where you're going to have to sign into a Microsoft account or create a new one to complete the setup. Personalize the last few settings to your preference. Once that's out the way, Windows will run through one final update to make sure you have all the latest features. And congratulations, you now have installed Windows 11 successfully. That's it for now. Hope you found this video useful. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments and I'll do my best to respond. Thanks for watching. See you next time for another dose of tech time.